Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We received a courier today. Came here from West Bengal. There's a laptop inside. The display and hinge are broken. The model number of this laptop is HP ENVY 13-B A0011TX. First, remove its display cable. You can see it's on. Okay, no problem. Let's fix it. There are no screws on the back, so first remove its back panel. We'll disconnect the battery. Also disconnect the internet wire and touch connector. Remove the housing from the display. Pull the display out of the panel and disconnect the camera connector and remove it. Remove the camera using a heat gun. We'll stick our bezel in the new display nicely. Apply glue properly on the bezel. Stick the bezel to the display. Stick the camera on the display. Connect the display cable as well. The display will be attached to the panel. Attach the display panel to the frame. Connect the network and touch cable. Connect the display cable to the board. Put the screws to hinge. Connect the battery connector. Turn on the laptop and check it. touch is working very well. Done. See you again, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.